Hi. I'm here to talk to you about writing jobs online reviews. Don't sign up before you know this fatal mistake that remote freelance writers are making in the beginning. Before thinking about actually signing up for writing jobs online, please read our Writing Jobs Online reviews post below because you need to be aware of a couple of things before it is too late. You want to prevent these fatal mistakes that beginners are making when it comes to being a freelance writer from home and accepting remote freelance jobs from the comfort of your home, no matter if you are a stay-at-home mom, a beginning freelancer, or an advanced freelancing blogger and writer who works from a remote space for a company or service just like writing jobs online. Before we actually dig into the review itself, here are the most important questions we get on a daily basis about remote freelance writers and jobs online. How do I become a content writer online? How do I become a freelance writer online? What is online content writing job? What is article writing job? People are also asking about freelance writing jobs online for beginners. Online writing software. Online writing jobs for beginners. Content writing jobs online. Get paid for creative writing. Online sports writing jobs. Freelance writing salary. Morning coffee newsletter writing. And online writing jobs for students. Now that you know a bit about the most critical concerns about writing from home for online writing services and companies, let's dig into the nitty-gritty of what you really should be concerned about in order to prevent tears and disappointment after signing up. Take the questions above into consideration depending on your situation and as you go through our detailed review, because these are the exact questions that you should get answers for. Let's get started with the basic concerns of online writing jobs in general. Before you apply for a company like Writing Jobs Online, or before you go about finding the writing jobs all by yourself, you should make sure to get as much training as possible from online courses or resources that you might get your hands on. A lot of people are turning to online learning, as it's simpler and cheaper, which allows them to learn from wherever they are. Once you feel satisfied with your writing skills, note that it's possible for you to join a company like Writing Jobs Online and you don't even require a previous writing experience before you start to write. There are lots of writing opportunities out there, and it is my job to make sure you select the one that is going to do the job best for you. There's nothing worse than constantly shoving an online writing job company opportunity down everybody's throat. It has to be the right one for you. In the beginning, you do not have to sign up for a company like Writing Jobs Online to find your first writing jobs, because you might be fortunate enough to find and submit an application for a job posting through your school's career center or an internet job board. Local jobs usually indicate a neighborhood office. If you're able to even locate a job, you'd probably need 1 hour or 2 to finish it, assuming you care about doing a great job. Besides going the free route, you can apply for Writing Jobs Online because they help you with finding quick writing jobs, and the jobs are posted on their website also. Usually jobs with low minimal requirements are jobs that will provide the company that you are going to write for with a chance to train you, and this is how the company usually does business. In consequence, The work of locating the best writing jobs might turn out tougher in several sectors, so take this fact into consideration too. Some jobs may require using a smartphone. When you take on such a kind of job, you would turn into a self-employed writer and you're likely to be earning a lot of money. Also, these types of writing jobs aren't available as much as you would anticipate on their database, so make sure to specialize yourself so that you will qualify and be treated like gold. Writing jobs are classified according to various criteria, so you can choose whether you want to know more about some specific industry, or whether you want to spend more time. All this helps to earn more in the end. In addition, programming jobs are plentiful at the moment. Writing as an online entrepreneur, writer, or blogger means to read a lot of books and articles. You may also try some expert online course sites to get more in-depth inspiration for your writing. Writing jobs online is really your best option when it comes to independent writing jobs online, and it is also the most popular online writing job company with the best benefits for you. You can still try to do it all by yourself, but it is not recommended for newbies because a beginner needs hand-holding and accountability buddies in order to be successful. Writing jobs online provides all that for you. They are suited to anybody who knows the way of composing perfect articles. The company is offering multiple job writing opportunities. They offer non-academic and easy writing jobs as well as more sophisticated academic writing jobs that are better suited for a passionate writer to expand their mind. If you've ever researched ways to create money online or have tried to find the very best work-at-home jobs opportunity, you will discover that freelance writing is a commonly recommended suggestion. Money will come as a reward for sticking with the company and taking daily action. You need to be a writing producer and stick to your goals in order to provide your daily results. If you do follow their step-by-step formula and provide daily writing results, you will be rewarded with an income that is regular and that you can control. If you increase your results, you will earn more, so you need to take your responsibilities as a freelance writer really seriously in order to scale up and make more money as time goes on. Don't worry, you will be following a step-by-step blueprint and learn how to scale up matching your financial goals. On the other hand, writing as a freelancer without the help of a company like Writing Jobs Online will probably fail because you won't have enough experience and job opportunities to provide a steady income for yourself. There are lots of places where you could find online writing jobs all by your own and with a little creative thinking, like boot camps, online coding classes, tutorials, etc. But remember, you are on your own with zero accountability for success. One of the absolute most effective strategies to boost your writing skills is by practicing writing and reading different articles, genres, writers, and types of writing. Writing pretty words doesn't turn you into a very good writer, but with the help of Writing Jobs Online you will gradually get there. You must pass an internet test to demonstrate your talent and writing skills. Developing better writing skills isn't happening on your first day as a freelance writer, and you will need to devote specific time doing it. If you would like to enhance your writing skills, you must be writing regularly and on a daily basis, and with Writing Jobs Online this is exactly what you are going to be doing. No online template will locate your clients for you, but you must keep an active online writing jobs sheet or log open and follow up with each writing job that you add to your list. Don't worry, you will learn exactly how the whole writing and hiring process works. It is, however, your own responsibility to apply this blueprint, which includes following up with each company that you put on your list and that you want to work for.